Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrow 0. I'm joined by Tepi.
Hola, Steve.
Yeah.
Steve, ona sama Tom and Steve. How do let's the bus, Steve?
Yeah.
But I want a refereeing system of South Africa. It's rigged.
You're a fade.
For the past 5 games, the league is against 13 men.
Yes.
It was the ref,
Yes.
the starting 11
Yes.
opponent, and also the chairman of PSL. Why am I saying so, Steve? That is because PSL is sabotage Mamelodi Sundowns. They are very jealous because of Mamelodi Sundowns. They are very jealous because of Mamelodi Sundowns is taking South Africa to the world.
Next level.
Barata basarati Steve. Liga itse ka gang. Modimo go mo Steve. O rata ka moka. And again Steve ne. Ya re go botsa something Steve ne. Ke le this thing go bona ba re keng. The ref tsa South Africa. Allah. Adi FIFA World Cup.
Never.
Why am I saying so?
Why?
Abatsebo reva.
Go fade.
They don't know if offside.
Go fade.
Foul.
Go fade.
50-50.
Go fade.
That's up.
Go fade.
Steve. I'm telling you, Steve. All they know is envelope. I can assure you. Abatsebo reva. Udithetha ko morao. 2 seconds later. That is because ba reva ka eng ba re bisa ke rena defense.
Brown envelope.
Exactly. And another thing Steve re go botsa ka Sundowns. Wa bona Sheriff Matthews. Ba batho ba mo jajang. Ha ba tlolo lebella Sundowns ba tsubile Raja le Manstroll. They must stop it.
It's a quality.
Why am I saying so? Matthews is a tech. In the past games, Norina Matthews.
It's a quality.
And Cardoso, he's our chef. We don't kind of risk because I'm a cooker.
Yes.
Then he's a cooker.
Yes.
And I can assure you,
Yes.
Obana Cardoso, Bapia Stampa, no suit. Why am I saying so? Lola Adams, Lola Matthews, Lola Rinas, Lola Lema.
Go fade.